Hey, good morning. This is Breck. I'm currently the editor of PLDB, um, among my many non-jobs. Um, anyway, we've got a question here. Creator of Cirru, sorry if I mispronounced that, with some issues with the PLDB entry for that. So let's just go ahead and take a look and see if we can fix this. We'll fix it live and then we'll see what's going on. All right, so confusing since it's a syntax of data, not a standalone language. We have it listed as a programming language. Okay, so let me open up terminal. Let me go into PLDB. Let me make sure I have the latest. I'll git pull. Actually, I'm just gonna git pull origin main just because we build a branch called WWS, which has all the HTML and stuff. And we don't need that branch. I just need the main branch. But it looks like we already had it. So I'm going to open up the repo in Sublime Text. All right, so now we got the language pulled up here. Oh, and then he's got another language here. Do we have this one? Let's just see. We don't. Do we not have it? We'll run a full text search. Let me just run search here. We don't have it. So okay, so we're going to need to add a new language here. And I'm just going to copy and paste this guy and change the ID and the name. All right, so let me get rid of all that stuff. So this is probably going to be a programming language, but let's see what he says. Or she, he or she, sorry, I don't know. Okay, so we got a website for this one. We'll just fix them both as we go. Lisp compiling to JavaScript ES modules. Now that's interesting because ES modules is something I need to learn. I know that they're new in JavaScript. I still am using my require JS stuff. So let's throw some example code in here. So we got a Lisp. So let's add we have a new tag called Lisp. Compiles to JavaScript. So we can add a compiles to here. Interpreter, hot code swapping friendly. Oh, that looks interesting. All right, so let's get the GitHub in here. The GitHub repo. And now what's cool about this, the GitHub repo, is that we can, I don't know when this appeared, so let's go to that. I'm gonna build this and then I'm gonna write in PLDB 3, and that just is a shortcut for, if you type in PLDB, you'll see the menu. 3 is for crawl gets. So that'll get the source code for this language, and from that we can determine what's written in, and we can get the repo stats, like when was the first commit and stuff. So another thing I like to add always is immutable on. Okay, all right, so hot code swapping combined with code editor. What's this? Lisp code is data, of course, love it. Indentation, okay. Can be, so you don't have to. Okay, with bundle, so this, so is this optional or is this, I'm not sure. I, of course, am a huge fan of indentation, semantic indentation. Oh, look at this editor. This is indentation-based Rust. Compiling to JavaScript. Wait, oh, that's what I was looking at. Okay, so it looks like indentation is kind of the default way to write this. So we're gonna update this with, okay, so it came out in 2021. We got that from the Git. So has, I think it's called has semantic indentation, but just to be precise, we don't have syntax highlighting and stuff in PLDB yet. I mean, in Sublime Text yet. Okay, so that is the thing I wanted. Okay, and so now what is this? What is this thing then? It's not a programming language. It is it's not source code and files called something that said source code and data, which is called EDN. Okay, so closure EDN I see, and it uses So as far as sort in compact Cirru, it might confuse your PLDB with sort in compact. Okay. So we'll call this one not a programming language, but this looks like a programming language, no? Huh. Wait. What? People code in syntax trees. Okay, so maybe this changed. Oops. Because it looks like maybe at one point it was a programming language, right? Writing code in syntax trees. This is a programming language. I'm going to disagree. Okay. So it's an alternate syntax for S expressions. So it's kind of like a scroll notation. Indentation, syntax, JSON, EDN, yeah. Okay, so I see what's going on. So what do we call scroll notation? Call it data notation. Okay. So it's from China. Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Now concentrate on the editor, and this is the editor. So this is probably, do we have a web repo? Okay, no, so let's add that. No connection to server. Get the editor running server. Oh. So it's too bad that we can't. Keyboard shortcuts, text and text videos. Okay, so let's add I think we have a YouTube channel keyword we could add. Let me just make sure we have that. This is a long video, sorry. All right, I'm gonna cut this short, but I can add more data. Anyway, so we've added this new language. I wanna make sure I get the creator's name correct here. And all right, I'm going to, is this, I do not speak Chinese. I apologize, I don't, so, but I'm going to do my best here, and then somebody can help me fix it. Okay, so yeah, so just updating the creator page here. Oh, that's cool. I knew that this was going to be a cool homepage. You can tell by the code. Oh yeah, this is awesome. All right. Yeah. By the way, if you're looking for an awesome, just like web pages, like old school, just like creative, check out the web pages of people like this. Like people that create programming languages also create amazing web pages. Little life hack. Okay. So I'm gonna have to poll the crowd on how to get this name correct. I'm just going to, for now, I'm just gonna go like this, and so creators, and I could be wrong. So if this is wrong, please forgive. Send a pull request. I am gonna format this new stuff. I'm gonna build it, and then I'm gonna test it, and then I'm gonna push it, and I'm gonna just live dangerously. All right, so I don't know if that's helpful at all. Sorry for the long video. Have a great day, everyone. Cheers.